Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be doing the highly popular gingerbread village houses from Pottery Barn. I was really inspired by them, but of course they're expensive, so I wanted to attempt to do it myself. I got these little village houses from Target. You can find them at the dollar spot, and I love how well the spray paint adhered to it. I also got acrylic paint and fabric pen marker from Joanne. I used the pen to outline some of the designs and for finer details. I'll be linking all the items I use in the description box below, and I hope you all enjoyed this super fun and festive DIY.
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make me look away. Peel off a layer and breathe. Lift up your head and lead. Count the stars, oh, before you leave. Save a kiss, pretty please. Try to reminisce over me. Know that I will cherish your memories. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make me look away. Lover or friend, real or pretend, however we end. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days. Tonight we'll turn minutes, however we end. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days.
Okay everyone, here's the final result. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and everything cost me $27. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on our next video.